Welcome back. Today we are looking at the 260 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump and Drain Review 2026. Managing humidity in large commercial and industrial spaces can be challenging, but the 260 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier with Pump and Drain hose is engineered to tackle this problem with unmatched efficiency. Designed for basements, warehouses, industries, and areas prone to water damage, this commercial-grade dehumidifier is a powerhouse that ensures your environment stays dry and safe. The 260 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier is designed with heavy-duty commercial applications in mind. Its 260 pint capacity makes it suitable for large basements, warehouses, and industrial spaces where moisture accumulation can lead to mold growth, structural damage, and unhealthy working conditions. Equipped with an advanced pump system and a convenient drain hose, this unit provides continuous dehumidification without the hassle of frequent emptying. This commercial dehumidifier comes packed with features to make large-scale moisture management effortless. The performance of the 260 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier is exceptional, even in challenging environments. Its high-capacity compressor and efficient airflow system quickly reduce humidity levels, preventing mold growth and water damage. With the integrated pump, water is continuously drained, eliminating the need for frequent manual emptying, which is a huge advantage for commercial operations. Users can rely on consistent operation in various temperatures due to the auto defrost system, ensuring that the unit runs efficiently year-round. The robust design, coupled with precise digital controls, allows for easy management of humidity levels in spaces up to 6,000 SQ or more. Energy efficiency is another key aspect of this commercial dehumidifier. Despite its powerful moisture removal capacity, it operates with optimized power consumption, reducing operating costs. Its heavy-duty construction ensures minimal wear and tear, making it ideal for continuous use in commercial and industrial environments. Users report noticeable improvements in air quality and comfort, making it an essential investment for protecting infrastructure, inventory, and worker health. Q1 Can this dehumidifier handle basements with severe water issues? Yes, the 260 Pints Commercial Dehumidifier is designed for heavy-duty performance, capable of handling basements with significant water intrusion or high humidity levels. Q2 Does it come with an automatic drainage option? Yes, it includes a built-in pump and drain hose for automatic water removal, making maintenance effortless. Q3 Is it suitable for use in industrial warehouses? A3 Absolutely. Its commercial-grade build and high capacity make it ideal for large warehouses, factories, and industrial spaces. Q4 How does the auto defrost feature work? For the auto defrost system prevents ice buildup on the coils, allowing the dehumidifier to operate efficiently even in lower temperatures. Q5 What is the recommended area coverage? 5 This unit is designed to effectively manage spaces up to 6,000 SQ foot, depending on the humidity level and room conditions. Q6 Is it portable? A 6 Yes, large wheels and sturdy handles make it easy to move across different areas, despite its heavy-duty size. Q7 How do I set the desired humidity level? 7 The digital control panel allows you to set and monitor your preferred humidity level with precision. Check the link in the description to get yours today.